Yo, hello guys, and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to download Google Workspace on Mac. And to do so, it's very easy. Actually, it's just a simple trick that I'm going to show you. From what I know, you can't really download Google Workspace on Mac, but you can download Google Chrome on Mac and then you go use the Google apps online. So let's just go to Google here and type Google Chrome Mac. So I'm filming the tutorial on a Windows computer, but you get the idea, it's the exact same on Mac. So let's just go here to the first link and then go to install Chrome for Mac and click on the installation file. Now once you're here, click on download Chrome and then you will have the download file that will be on your computer. So just save it and do all the process, and then you can go just on your browser and then search for Google Workspace. Now, the reason that I'm showing you this trick is just that Google Workspace is cloud-based, so you can't really download it, you can't really do anything on your desktop unless use it in the browser. Now, even if you go to Google and just type Google Workspace Mac, you can see here, does Google Workspace work on Mac? Since Google Workspace is entirely cloud-based, it works seamlessly on macOS without requiring installation. So that's it. Basically, you just have to download Google Chrome and use the online app. As you can see here, just type Google Workspace and you will find the website. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.